Let us see how to flip the video or image in Adobe Premiere. So it's very simple to do. Basically what you have to do is that you have to go to the effects panel, which you can find over here, and then you have to search for the effect which is called as flip. And you can see that under this video effects transfer folder, you have got this horizontal and vertical flip. So let us flip this particular video horizontally. So just drag that effect on the top of video file, and you can see now it is flipped. And similarly, if you want to flip it vertically, just drag vertical flip on the top of this clip, and you can see now the video is vertically flipped. And the same thing you can do with other objects as well. Maybe it is a text, shape layer, or it is a image, doesn't matter. You can use these effects on those objects as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.